I'm here now with Stephen Ludlow, VP Product Marketing at OpenText. And Stephen, first of all, welcome.
Thank you.
I know you're really excited to talk about OpenText OT2. Just give us a quick summary of what it is and why it means so much to you.
Well, I'll start with why it means a lot, and then we'll go for what it is, actually.
Okay.
So really excited, probably one of the biggest announcements, not only at this show, but that we've made in a very long time, because it's really, in a way, beginning to be the fulfillment of the future that we've charted out some time ago. So I was involved with the acquisition of Documentum and bringing Documentum into OpenText. And it was very interesting talking to our customers, talking to analysts, talking to people about what impact Documentum was going to have on coming to OpenText. There was a feeling that people were worried about Documentum being invested in, they were worried about overlap, and the strategy that we put out in front of people was really about making sure that we were going to continue to invest in Documentum, making sure that we were going to invest in our existing customers around Content Server and Extended ECM. But we also said that we were going to begin to start to invest in capabilities in the cloud, particularly services in the cloud, where we could use those services in combination with the investments that our customers have made with Content Server and Documentum to start to deliver applications in the cloud as well. And so that strategy we laid out about 1.5 years ago now. We've stuck to that strategy, we've continued to communicate that strategy, and now we're actually fulfilling on that strategy with OT2, right? So what we really announced was the platform capabilities of some of the best platforms in the business around Documentum, Content Suite, Extended ECM, along with microservices, all in the same cloud platform, which is now at the point where we're beginning to deliver applications on top of that platform.
And I was going to say, it's the way you're doing it as well. You mentioned microservices, that using the cloud, hybrid, open source. It feels like a very contemporary way of taking the company and your offerings to a next level.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Right, so the short answer is yes. It's going to give us what I would see as it's called OT2 for a reason, right? It's called OT2 because it's the next generation. It's us starting to chart the future for our customers, where we think we're headed when it comes to delivering both content services and delivering applications in the cloud, but making sure that we can still continue to leverage that really large investment that we know our customers have made. So it absolutely is not only a modern approach, but an approach that doesn't throw away the baby with the bathwater, which is a really, really good thing too.
So it's a good story for OpenText, but of course,
it's a better story for our customers.
Yeah. Tell us the kind of benefits that they can see from this.
Well, the obvious one is that we're really embracing and extending their existing platforms. That's sort of number one, too. The next thing, obviously, is that although we very often talk to IT about some of the problems that organizations face, it's the business that really faces business problems, and business really wants business solutions. And it's in our ability to deliver business solutions by quickly putting together the services that are available in OT2, to be able to leverage the existing platforms to build applications that solve real life business problems, and that can be delivered in your phone, that can be delivered on any device, that can be built for purpose so that users don't need a massive amount of training, don't need a massive amount of change management. All those sorts of things is where we're headed, driven by the consumerization of applications. And so that's what people expect now, and that's what we can deliver for them.
Okay, and what does the future hold for this?
Well, the future, it's a bright future for OpenText, if you ask me, right? We're a company that always balances the best of both worlds, right? We're a platform company, and everything that platforms can give us, single source of the truth, cost savings for IT, the ability to work with a trusted partner, and at the same time, the business wants solutions, and so providing applications for the business and solutions that they need. So I think that's really the message, and the only one that I'd throw in on that is that we also, this platform's made for the developer too, so that we can have developers work with this platform and deliver the applications that we might not be able to think of, and so we're going to open up a whole new community to developing solutions for OpenText.
Okay, Stephen, so much going on. Thank you for telling us that.
Great, thanks for having me by.